Place chopped parsnips, carrots, and onion on parchment-lined baking sheets and roast in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, stirring with a spatula after 15 minutes. Meanwhile, melt coconut oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add garlic and cook, stirring until it's softened and fragrant. Garlic can burn quickly, so watch it carefully. Add the mushrooms and walnuts. Cook, stirring often until mushrooms are tender and have released their moisture. In a large bowl, combine the roasted vegetables, the mushroom mixture, fresh thyme, and sage. Season with salt and pepper and toss well. Drizzle the stuffing with olive oil. Serve your grain-free stuffing while it's hot.